Hello, welcome to my channel Home Health Today. Today in this video I will tell you how to use castor oil for hair loss and hair regrowth. Before starting the video, please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon for latest updates. How to use castor oil to combat hair loss. Ingredients: half cup castor oil. Method: take some castor oil in your palm and work it through your hair from the roots to the tips, the same way you apply your regular oil. Massage well. Castor oil has a thicker density which makes it difficult to wash it out. Hence, make sure that you do not use too much oil. Number 2. Leave the oil in for a minimum of 15 to 20 minutes. You could also leave it overnight. Number 3. Owing to its dense consistency, it can be quite a task to wash off castor oil. You will need to shampoo multiple times to get rid of the oil, but this method works for some. Condition your hair with a commercial conditioner 30 minutes before you take a shower. The oil should come off easily. Number 4. Once you wash your hair, towel dry it and avoid using any heat styling tools immediately. While your hair might feel moisturized, it will take a while before you see any result. Note: this treatment works best on slightly damp hair. Castor oil treatment for hair regrowth. There is much anecdotal evidence that castor helps treat hair loss and stimulate hair growth. Since it is thick and heavy, it might be easier to pair it with another oil to loosen it up. It also has a very peculiar smell that doesn't suit everyone, which other oils like almond can cover. The following portion is a combination of 4 oils: coconut, sweet almond, sesame and castor. While you can add or remove oils depending on availability and preference, there is nothing like using all 4 of these together. Ingredients: 2 tablespoons extra virgin coconut oil, 2 tablespoons sweet almond oil, 2 tablespoons sesame oil, and 1 tablespoon castor oil. Method: Number 1. Mix the 4 oils and massage the mixture into your scalp and from the roots to the tips of your hair. You could warm the oil a little for quicker penetration. Number 2. Keep it on for a minimum of 60 minutes. Optionally, you could leave it on overnight for better result. Number 3. Shampoo your hair to wash it off. This oil is perfect for including hair growth. You can make it in large quantities and store it by adding a capsule of vitamin E oil to it to increase its shelf life. I will give you the links of ingredients in the description. You can buy from Amazon.com. I hope this video will help you a lot. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel, share this video and hit the bell icon for latest updates. Thanks for watching.